What's up YouTube, this is CobaltJustice bringing you another video of Titanfall. This time I'm going to be starting the first campaign mission. Hope you all enjoy it.
Alright, brother. What is up?
In space, fuel is life, and the militia fleet is running low. Only 7 planets in the Yuma system can replenish a fleet of that size. This is one of them. We've set up turrets like this one, just in case the militia decide to pay this site a visit. That's Charlie, this one's Bravo. Bravo, give me a sit rep.
Turret online and operational, sir. What's up on Grace? Zulu 3 shows multiple jump signatures. Three clicks out.
Bliss, tell Riggs to get his squad on the deck now.
Sir, our forces have assembled at Rennie Point Alpha.
Pilots, today you have a chance to establish peace on the frontier. Make it count.
All pilots secure hardpoints, Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. The rest of you, on me. We gotta secure the hardpoints and neutralize all hostiles. Move out.
Pilot, you need to secure hardpoints Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie so my team can access the system. Good luck.
Uplink established. Rerouting vital systems.
Bitch! Let's go, dude. What the fuck?
Bravo 4 is down. Copy.
All units, the turrets are online for Charlie. The red eye's taking some heavy damage.
Bloody hell, it's about time! Rejoining squad leader! 2 copy rejoin! 3!
All units, the turrets are online for Bravo, and we're targeting the red eye. The red eye's at 75% hull integrity and decreasing. We just lost Alpha. Listen up. We're doing all right against these outlaws, but not by much. Charlie is under attack. Hardpoint
Get
Charlie
the fuck
jumping
out.
online. All units, take Charlie back now.
Your Titan will be ready in 15 seconds.
Bravo is under attack. We just lost hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in. That's Alpha under control, but I need access to Bravo and Charlie to get all the turrets online against the red eye.
Uplink established. Copying mission critical data. Your Titan is ready to drop. Signal when ready.
Good answer. Training ground right. This is the old Eastern Legs community. Bunch of rich ones who stop. What you
Command.
All units, the turrets are online for Bravo. We're targeting the red eye. We're losing Alpha. Pilot, you're approaching Alpha. Watch for hostiles.
Auto-typing in guard mode.
All units, the turrets are online for Charlie. The red eye's taking some heavy damage. Just lost hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in. Keep up the good work, pilot. The red eye's at 50% hull integrity now. Just lost Alpha. All units be advised. The turret systems are online and we're targeting the red eye. Maintain control of the hard point.
Be advised. Your replacement Titan will be ready in 60 seconds.
Charlie is under attack. We just lost Charlie.
Be advised.
Listen up. We're doing all right against these outlaws, but not by much.
Be advised. Your replacement Titan will be ready in 15 seconds.
We're losing Bravo. All units be advised. The turrets are online for Alpha, and the red eye's taking major damage. We just lost hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in. We're losing Alpha. We just lost hardpoint Alpha. I got nothing. Someone get over there.
Fucking bitch.
Your replacement Titan is ready for launch. Signal when ready.
We're We're losing Charlie. Bravo is ours, but I still need hardpoints Alpha and Charlie in order to inflict maximum damage to the Red Eye. Go! We just lost Charlie.
Replacement Titan online. Signal.
Excellent. The Red Eye's now at 25% hull integrity. Let's finish her off, eh? We're losing Bravo. All units be advised. The turrets are online for Alpha, and the Red Eye's taking major damage.
Your replacement Titan is ready for launch. Signal when ready.
Bitch!
We just lost hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in. Hardpoint Charlie just went offline. All units, take Charlie back now. All units, the turrets are online for Bravo. We're targeting the Red Eye.
Threats attacking. Warning.
All units, the turrets are online for Bravo. We're targeting the Red Eye. We've almost secured victory, but the insurgents aren't far behind. Let's stay on top and shut them down. Bravo is under attack.
Warning. Enemy pilot detected on phone. Recommend you disembark and remove the threat manually.
We just lost Bravo. The turrets for this hardpoint are back online, and we are engaging the Red Eye.
Transferring control to pilot.
All units be advised, the turrets are online for Alpha, and the Red Eye's taking major damage. All units, be advised. Mission accomplished. We've destroyed the Red Eye. Fine work all round. Come on home.
Be advised. The militia forces is defeated, but enemy survivors remain in the area. Do not allow them to escape.
We didn't even kill half their fleet. 54 ships destroyed, that's it.
How many of those ships were civilian?
Today's civilians are tomorrow's militia, sir. What do you want me to do? Wait?
Start a search. I want that fleet found. Graves out.
Warning.
Rush,
Militia
bitch.
forces are boarding their dropship. Destroy it.